Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are beginning with the fourth semester classes for you, and I, Professor Prashant Birje, will be dealing with operations research. Operations research is a numerical subject and it has been divided into five modules. Uh, it has problems mainly, and a few theory will be asked in your examination. So let us begin with an introduction to today's that lecture. That is, today we are going to cover only introduction to the syllabus. So the main objectives of operations research is to train students in the area of applying mathematical and statistical tools for business decisions. So various mathematical tools we are gonna study in the coming modules, and also to train the students in the area of operations research. But before we go into all these things, we first need to understand what is operations research. So for that, uh, we have our first module, that is introduction to operations research. In introduction to operations research, we are going to study the meaning of operations research, the importance, that is the significance of operations research, what are the limitations of operations research, and the various models that can be studied or that are there in operations research. We are not going to study all the modules which are there in operations research in detail. We are going to study about only 3 to 4 different modules in your syllabus. Whereas in introduction, that is in module number 1, we are just going to have a gist of what are the various modules in operations research. So your module number 1 is basically an introduction to the subject, and it contains the basic concepts and definitions of operations research. So it is basically a theoretical module. From module number 2, we begin with your problems, that is numericals, and module number 2 deals with the first type of model, that is linear programming. Under linear programming problems, we have introduction to LPP, that is linear programming problem, LPP. Then formulation of an LPP, how you start with, that is how you prepare a problem based upon a particular situation. So in this, situation will be given to you, and based upon that situation, you have to convert that situation into a problem and then solve it. So formulation, that is known as formulation of an LPP. Then solution of LPP, that is linear programming problems, by two different methods we are going to study in your syllabus. There are various different methods, but the methods that we are going to study are graphical method and this simplex method. Now under module number 3, if you see transportation, we are going to study uh, different methods of transportation. That is, this transportation method, in fact, problem is divided into two phases. The first phase is finding initial basic feasible solution, and the second one is optimization. So we are going to study both the things, both the phases. So first we'll understand what is a transportation problem, meaning and types of transportation methods that we can study. Then to find out initial basic feasible solution, we are going to have study only three different methods, that is northwest corner method, or northwest corner rule, matrix minimum method, and Vogel's approximation method. Apart from these, we are going to study phase 2, that is optimization of these methods. So phase 1, it covers three methods. After phase 1, you have to do phase 2, that is optimization. Under optimization, we have two methods, but in your syllabus you have only one, that is modified distribution method, also known as MODI method. Then we have model number uh, 4, that is assignment. Under assignment, we have will study what is the meaning of assignment and the different types of assignment problems, what is the algorithm that, yeah, that is used for solving an assignment problem, and will solve some numericals on assignment problems. This deals with assigning jobs to various machines, so that resources can be used effectively or efficiently. And also it deals with uh, jobs assigning to various salesmen, various employees, and how it can be done efficiently. Apart from this, the next, that is the last model which is there, is known as game theory. Now this is a way, or this is a method or where strategies can be tested by various companies in business scenario. So this deals with the meaning of game theory, what is pure strategy, what is mixed strategy. A lot of 2 marks questions are asked in the syllabus, in your question paper, from this: pure strategy, mixed strategy, saddle point, value of the game. So what is the meaning of this, they will ask you. Then apart from that, we'll also study the methods of game theory solving, that is the minimax method, the dominance rule or the dominance principle method, and then we'll also study the solution to a game theory by using crafts. So this will cover your model number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Totally 80 marks theory and 20 marks will be for internal, just like this. And the suggested book is Operations Research, book by Kanti Swarup, PK Gupta, Manmohan, uh, by Sultan Chand and Sons. The one which I have kept as the DP of my WhatsApp group, that is PK Gupta, that is Hira and Gupta, it is also known as. So that is very good, DS Hira and Gupta. So you can use that. Lot of copies are available in the library. If you have any doubt, you can always contact us with respect to any of your doubts.